Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I'm Benjamin Bookkeeper, your financial guide. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of us face at some point: how to recover from financial setbacks. Whether it's a job loss, unexpected expenses, or investment losses, I've got some strategies to help you bounce back. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our discussions on all things money. Let's dive in. The first step in recovering from a financial setback is to assess the situation honestly. Take stock of your current financial standing, including your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Understanding where you stand will give you clarity on what needs to be addressed and how to move forward. Once you've assessed your situation, create a plan to address your financial challenges. Prioritize your expenses, focusing on essential needs like housing, food, and utilities. Develop a budget to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back to free up funds for savings or debt repayment. One of the keys to recovering from financial setbacks is having an emergency fund. Start building or replenishing your emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and cushion against future setbacks. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, starting with small, regular contributions if necessary. If you're struggling with debt payments, don't hesitate to reach out to your creditors. Many creditors are willing to work with you to set up payment plans or negotiate settlements. Be proactive and honest about your financial situation, and explore options for reducing interest rates or extending payment terms. Consider ways to increase your income to speed up your financial recovery. Look for part-time work, freelance opportunities, or side gigs to supplement your income. Every extra dollar earned can make a difference in rebuilding your financial stability. Finally, remember to stay positive and persistent during your financial recovery journey. Setbacks are a natural part of life, but with determination and resilience, you can overcome them. Celebrate small victories along the way and stay focused on your long-term financial goals. And there you have it. Strategies for recovering from financial setbacks. By assessing your situation and creating a plan, you can prepare to rebuild your financial stability. Remember to negotiate with creditors and seek additional income while maintaining a positive mindset, so you can bounce back stronger than ever. If you want to learn about managing finances as a single parent, click the link above to check out my previous video. And stay tuned for my next video on financial planning for different life stages. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights on Money Talk with Ben. Until next time, and happy rebuilding your finances.